Assalamualaikum ladies and gentlemen. The magazine is Abkari. Editor is Sheikhul Wazaif Dr. Muhammad Tariq Mahmood Mazuli Choktai Dawate Barkatum Alia. The topic is to determine good or bad in any matter. After a long time I have had the honor of writing for Abkari. Alhamdulillah, you publish spiritual practices and supplications every month. I have the opportunity to practice the ones published during Ramzan, and I found immense pleasure in worship. I have a practice that is excellent for businessmen. Before starting any matter, one should seek counsel from Allah to determine whether it holds goodness or harm. There was a highly pious elder man from Okada city in Pakistan who spent his entire life in skepticism and righteousness. He used to say that he conducted only one business transaction in the entire year, and Allah granted him sustenance for the whole year. Through it, he said that before every transaction, he would perform the following istikhara, seeking divine guidance. Once he performed istikhara to decide whether to buy silver. As soon as he made the deal and the transaction was about to be completed, the price of silver increased. He immediately sold it back to the same people from whom he had purchased it, and earned a profit of 70,000 rupees within an hour. Another time, his istikhara indicated that he should buy onions. He kept buying and selling them, and eventually earned a profit of 99,000 rupees. Another elder from Bahawalnagar shared on an incident. He was involved in the wholesale business. His brother asked him whether they should buy cotton since it was the peak season. He performed istikhara and advised them not to buy it. Other wholesaler mocked them, saying, "Are you fools? It's peak season and you are not buying cotton." His brother replied, "Our elders have advised again it." When the season passed, he performed istikhara again. It indicated that they should now buy cotton that season. All the other wholesalers suffered heavy losses, and some even lost of all their saving. However, they purchased high quality cotton from those who had held on to their stock and made a profit of 70,000 rupees. Whatever matter you want to seek divine guidance for, keep it in your mind and perform to until rakat of voluntary prayer Nifil. When you reach Ihdina Siratal Mustaqim in Surah Al-Fatiha, repeat multiple times until your face naturally turns in a certain direction. If your face turns to the right, then the matter holds goodness, and if it turns to the left, it holds harm. In that case, avoid proceeding with it. Perform istikhara for every important matter, whether it is travel, business, marriage, or any new and ever. Ladies and gentlemen, the topic is finished.